Hey everyone, if you're tuning in today, chances are you're looking to escape the scorching heat and keep your living space or office comfortably cool. Well, you've come to the right place. I'm here to talk about FreshQ Aircon service, your go-to experts for professional air conditioning installation. Now I know how overwhelming it can be to choose the right air conditioning service. You want someone reliable, efficient, and experienced. FreshQ ticks all those boxes and more. Whether you're eyeing a Daikin, Mitsubishi, Panasonic, or any other brand, these guys are the pros you want on your side. Here's the deal. When you choose FreshQ, you're not just getting an aircon installed. You're ensuring that every step of the installation process is handled with utmost precision. Their team is all about bringing you that perfect cool environment without any hassle. And let's be honest, who doesn't want that? One thing I really appreciate about FreshQ is their quick response time. They understand that your comfort can't wait, and they're all about providing efficient service that respects your time and peace of mind. It's not just about installing an aircon, it's about enhancing your quality of life with fresh, cool air. So whether you're upgrading your home or just making sure your office is a cool sanctuary, give FreshQ Aircon service a call. I've got their numbers right here, so jot them down: 907-00512 or 866-88028. Don't just take my word for it. Experience their premium service for yourself and enjoy a cooler, more comfortable environment. Remember, when the heat is on, FreshQ Aircon service is there to cool things down. Check them out and beat the heat like a pro. Thanks for listening, and stay cool out there.